So, ghost interference in earbuds and headphones. What is it actually? How does it happen? And how to resolve it? That's what I'm gonna talk about today. And as you can see, I'm a regular user using a lot of pairs of earbuds and headphones. To be specific, I like Edifiers, so I have couple of these and I use them actively. But sometimes there's some interferences in the connections and a lot of users report this problem. So today I wanted to pay a bit more attention to this and help you resolve it if you encounter it as well with your own set of earbuds or headphones, especially those that are connected wirelessly with Bluetooth, usually, no matter if it's Android or another device. I'll be more specific about Android because I have a lot of experience with that. And if you have interference with your earbuds, what you need to do, the general steps, just like when you have an issue with your computer, the most basic thing to do is to reset it. There's something to do with the headphones, the wireless headphones and earbuds as well, and that is to unpair the device from the Bluetooth settings. So basically you need to open your Android phone settings and unpair the device. You also, if you have the option and you're skilled enough, you can clean the Bluetooth cache. If there's any information that is stored already in your device, you need to clean that. And the most common thing to do is to unpair your device and to hard reset it as well. Basically, how you do that is there's a thing that is called a handshake between the device and the smartphone. And in order to reset this handshake, you can do a hard reset on your device. So basically, it usually you need to press a button. If there is a button on your device, you need to press it for 5 or 10 seconds. If it would be on a charging case or something like that, you need to press it for 5 or 10 seconds in order to reset it. Here on this pair, you have this small button. So usually it's 5 or 10 seconds in order to flush the memory of the earbuds or the headset. So the headset usually the controls are on the headset itself. It's not on a docking station or something like that, but some headset has docking stations and you need to do it through them. But the most common thing is to unpair and to click forget on the device because it would be in the list in the Bluetooth settings. I will show you a couple of screens so you can see and do it yourself. But of course, this is one very basic thing to improve some hissing sound, some interruption. Another thing that I would recommend, if there's a game mode in your presets of your earbuds, you can use this because it prioritizes speed over distance. So the quality, the amount of data that goes to your earbuds, headphones from your smartphone is prioritize over the long distance of the connection. So you know that these usually can work up to 5-10 meters depending on your Bluetooth version. But if you have a game mode, you can try with that and see if there's any improvement in the connection and these ghost sounds that may appear. So these are the basic steps. Of course, there might be other reasons like device quality and some interruption in the network surroundings that are interfering with the Bluetooth signal. But these are the basics. If you have issues, try these and let me know how it worked in the comment section. Stay tuned, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.